Hi, welcome to our scale project. My name's Henry.
My name's Jaden.
And this is our scale, the block. Now, here's a quick rundown of our LABView. We have our data collected in the top left. It then goes down into an array builder. It builds an array of 1,000 digits, and then it removes the last one to keep it 1,000 digits once we add the new value. And what that does is we average the values in the array and divide by 1,000. And that gives us a really good estimate on what our voltage is because we're taking data rates real quick. Then we use our Excel graph that we made from our calibration curve. We subtract the intercept and we divide by the slope. That gives us our mass value. We then have our tare function right there, and it runs up here, gives us our mass. And we also have the voltage average, the tare, and the mass all written to our data file for helpful usage later. We currently have our VI running. We're gonna place a 20-gram weight right on the end right there. And then with our calibration curve that we used from earlier, we can then go up here and we have our mass. It's roughly 20. There we go. Yeah, it hovers a bit around because we use our spring. And then what we do is we tare it and it'll go on down to 0 and it'll stay about 0. And then we can stop it and it will write our file. Our file will show up here momentarily. Boom. And then we can then open our file and we will have all of our relevant data for our project right there on the left.